always love to see everybody waiting on me right outside the door. Go on up, Tux. Nobody else is up, so it should be safe. Hi. Hello. Oh, it feels better out here, although the weather guy was saying, Chris Michaels was saying that we went 6 nights in a row where we got down to 25 or less, and that it had been since 2018 since we had that long of a cold snap. Guess we'll see this year if we really have less bugs or not. I'm skeptical that it really matters. I think we just have bugs. But we'll see. I mean, clearly, we still have ice. Hi, Stripe, where you going? Hi, where you going, buddy? Stripey! Stripey goes, I want sunshine, Mama. I just need some sunshine. I noticed something not quite right with Morris's cube over here, so while he's not in it, let me check. Okay, his cube is fine. What it is it's not coming apart. It's just that the way it was, the bottom part had moved, and the heaters are on. As he's been in it with these cold snap, he's been in it some during the day. As much as I love my kitchen Crocs, my anti-slip Crocs, for wet conditions, they are horrible for snow and ice. What happens is the ice goes in between the treads, and then it's like you're walking on an ice cube. So as good as they are for wet, they're horrible for slush. So I've been printing some pretty things, but I don't want to bring them in the house yet because I'm not ready to look at Valentine's Day. But I've printed these roses, these articulated leg rose guys. And I printed this love, just a little shelf sitter. And, okay, we'll put it back where it was. And the little Hello Kitties and the little fidget spinners. And I've been printing, oh, wow. I know you guys know what that's going to be. It looks like Lego, but it's in the shape of a heart. I guess I'm making a octagon instead of a hexagon. So there's 8 pieces to print, and this is the first. I wanted to make sure it came out, look, the print profile, it stuck, it looked good and everything. So instead of sending Dawn this morning, I came out, but I'm going to definitely send another one. They won't all be the magenta. Some of them are going to be red, and some of them I think are going to be purple, which, oh, guess what? The AMS was not coming until Monday, but I saw it was in Mebane, Burlington, North Carolina, not too far from here yesterday, and now UPS says it's delivering it today. So since we have the holder all printed and ready to go, I imagine Dawn will set it up for me today. I would say that's, let's just say all said and done, that's an hour's worth of work to move stuff around. And of course, I'll have to stop printing while he does it, but I'm going to send one more of these. He wouldn't be doing that, well, A, until it arrives, and B, until this afternoon. I think this was in the 3-hour range, 2-hour range, something like that. It's a little more than the other branches, the green and white, the less fancy branches. It takes a little more time. All right, chickens, come on. No, I know you. If you come back this way, then you won't follow me because you're confused. Come on, go. I'm not trying to hurt you. But go, seriously. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, the one guy is gonna get mad in a minute. The least you can do is not make it so hard on me. Yes, I know. Go. Come on. Go. This way. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. That's right, Stripe. Walk them this way. Pretend you're an Australian cattle dog or something and help herd the chickens. Come on, guys, let's go. Maybe they'll follow me, maybe they won't. I haven't had that much trouble any of the other mornings. They usually just follow me. Okay, they're behind me, beside me. I see the black guy. Not right this minute. Saw him yesterday, though. And thank goodness the turkeys aren't up on the fence. What do you have? Oh, I might have dropped a piece of that dried chow. I don't want you to have that. Go. He goes, but Mom, I didn't mean to drop it. I put a little too much in the bowl. I really don't want you to get a taste for that stuff. Stripe and I had a nice walk over the bridge, down the driveway, up the cement hill. A large circle of the house. I thought I saw two of our red-shouldered hawks in the tree on the other side of the driveway. They should be nest building right now. Remember, they only lay one brood a year. And they start nest building in January into early February. Then early February they lay the eggs, and then they don't leave until late June, early July, something like that. And we have had them in the big tree right there, and we've had them in the tree over there. They moved by the time I walked closer, and I could not see any nest building activity, but before the leaves come out, like last year, I'll try to figure out where it is so I can watch it even after they're under more cover. But Stripe and I had a nice walk. I got some early morning sunlight in my eyes. Woke me up, made me feel good. And yeah. Go get this water changed out. The food did get eaten up here last night. I didn't pay attention because it's been so daggone cold. I've been keeping the door closed more, and I didn't see who it was. I'd have to go back and look at the recorded footage. Raccoon or possum. Hi, good morning. You're just really not liking this kind of food anymore, are you? Mom ordered some of the other stuff that you should like better for your nightly food. And she'd been finishing all the chicken, and she'd been letting me know she's not upset about what I put in here last night. I guess if you's hungry enough, you'd have ate it. You'll get sparked. I'm sorry. I don't want to spark you. I had put in a small Lego order this past week. I wanted to get this heart gift with purchase Valentine's Day box. It opens up and it looks like it has candies in the middle. So this came quote unquote free with what I purchased. And one of the things I purchased was 6 of the series, what is this series now? 27 minifigures. There's 12 per series. And you can order 6 at a time off the Lego website. And there's some confusion, uncertainty about if you're assured to get 6 unique figures or not. And if you order 2 boxes, I guess you have a 50-50 chance of getting all of them or something. I don't know. Walmart and Fuquay seems to not carry them anymore. And there's a lot of places you can go buy them where they open them up and sell them for like 50 cents extra, but you know what you're getting. Places like Barnes & Nobles aren't letting people scan even with the new scans. It's just sort of a mess. So I thought, well, I'll try this for once. You can get it on Amazon too. But I needed to get the heart. So let's open it up and see what's in there. So inside it is the paper boxes instead of the foil bags. And there are 6 of them in there. And I'm just going to assume that I could scan these at the codes on the bottom here, and it'll tell me what they are before I open them. So I am going to test out that theory. If I have a duplicate, I might give it to Connor. Michelle and the kids, they still do collect the minifigures, like especially the steampunk guy. I hear the wolf is really hard to find and the most sought after. I don't know if that's the purple looking monster dude or the upper left dude, but I've heard talk about the wolf. There are 6 unique. I did get the steampunk guy, the wolf guy, the hamster guy, The kid on the longboard, I did not get the astronaut space telescope kid, which is a little disappointing. Anyway, pretty cool. I suppose I could open them up now. Hi, did you want to help? Hi. So this guy is called Jetpack Racer. That's the nice thing about scanning it with the app is it tells you the name, because even though you get instructions for some of them are not as obvious to put together as others, it doesn't tell you what they're called on any of the Lego stuff ever. So, and this is Hamster Costume Fan. I don't know what the little disc is. What do hamsters eat? Is that a piece of lettuce or something? Probably some sort of plant greenery. He's kind of cool. There are lots of costume minifigures, so if you ever want to have cute kids for Halloween and the cutest little costumes ever, Lego is your place. It's trash time.
That's right. Trash day is a beautiful day, though. Although the wind's a little much, I'm going to wear a hat.
Yeah, well, my hat keeps my hair out of the way. And just so you know, I have to rely on Dawn for my chapstick.
Yes, right.
Thanks for taking care of me.
That's right. I put extra on for you.
Yeah, I know you did. Oh, it's pretty funny. It is nice out here. I'm glad to be out in the sun for a bit. To say they did mulch up here yesterday, and there is a ton of trash, not right here in front of the church, but on both sides going down the road. So it's time. So much trash, so much lack of caring about your community or your job site. It's been a lot today. It's been a lot. We thought at one point they were going to try to build houses in here, but I would have to say that seems totally unlikely now. I don't know, maybe way up there on the hill. I don't know who would want to build over here. So we walked for about an hour. I know we have over 50 aluminum White Claw cans. They're almost all White Claw. Almost every single one. I'm never drinking that ever. It's not happening. I might even actually like it, and there's just no way. So Don and I, we lead sheltered lives, and we just need to stay at home. And yes, I've seen the Rivian there before, and they also have a red Tesla. I think the Tesla is in the garage. It's just hard on me and Dawn to be out with the rest of humanity. Let's just leave it there. It's hard. Yeah. There's the longboard kid, the steampunk guy, Cupid, and the wolf. You can see that the wolf guy has a sword, the shield with the wolf on it, and an actual wolf with him. Cupid is really cute in time for Valentine's Day, I gotta say. My favorite so far is probably the steampunk one. There's just lots of nice detail there. It's time for bags 13 and 14, and there's foliage, flowers, and leaves in here. I think we're going to be decorating along the front some. Bag 14 is going to make the dinosaur that goes in that empty green spot there. The dinosaur turned out really neat, and it's meant to just sit in here on top of the little stand and be lifted back off. It actually does not snap into place on purpose. Pretty cool. I do like the statues and the plants and the way they did the railing here. When I get to bag 15, probably tomorrow, that starts building the second floor. Bag 15 was quick and easy while I was pan frying our steaks, and looks like there's going to be a railing to look down into both the rooms below.